Data does not lie. Congress governments throughout the country have spent most of the time doing politics rather than focusing on development. The Karnataka Congress government is the latest example. One would be surprised to know that after coming to power, a meager 15% of 2.95 lakh tenders have so far been awarded in the state. In other words, if only this much tender got awarded, one can very much understand what development activities must have taken place in the state since 2023 after Congress came to power. The Congress government in Karnataka on assuming power has so far floated 2.95 lakh tenders worth rupees 1.26 lakh crore. Of them, only 46,033 have been awarded to contractors or service providers. This has been revealed by the latest data from Chief Minister Siddaramaia's Karnataka Progress Portal. The remaining tenders that were not awarded are either under evaluation, have been retendered, recalled, suspended or closed. In other words, if these tenders were not awarded, then the development work that were to be done through these tenders did not take place. According to the portal, the Municipal Administration Department is the largest procuring entity, having floated 66,487 tenders worth rupees 11,559 crore. But just 19% of them have been awarded. The Forest Department comes second with 41,322 tenders valued at rupees 3,734 crore, of which 3% have been awarded. All important rural development and Panchayat Raj Department has 33,842 tenders, that is rupees 5,406 crore, of which 17% have been awarded. Public finance experts pointed out that it could be a fallout of the political system as it deliberately creates delays in tenders. In the case of Karnataka Congress leaders, groupism is all prevalent from day one. The political fight between incumbent CM Siddaramaiah and his deputy DK Shivkumar is well known. Under such circumstances, development is bound to take a backseat. Only recently, aides of Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar indulged in a physical fight, even in Karnataka Bhavan in Delhi. Even the state's top officials have their own loyalties either towards Siddaramaiah or Shivkumar. Under such circumstances, development is bound to take a backseat, and a low number of tenders being rewarded is a reflection of it.